morning everyone. So today we are going to revise a chapter that is electricity and circuit. Okay? Electricity and circuit. So students, we are going to learn about the electricity. You know that electricity is used for running so many devices at your home, in your offices and many everywhere. Okay, just like your tube light, your bulb, your fan, your washing machine, oven, microwave. So many cooking devices are also there. So they are running by the electricity, and we are charging so many types of devices by the electricity also, just like inverter. Okay, so these are the use of electricity. So first of all, we are going to learn about the cell, electric cell. What is electric cell? If you want to write definition, you can also write. Okay, if you are thinking you want to write definition, you can also write. Electric cell is a device. Which converts stored chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so your electric cell is a device which converts stored chemical energy into a electrical energy. आपका जो सेल होता है उसमें केमिकल के फॉर्म में एनर्जी स्टोर्ड फॉर्म में होती है. When that cell is connected to a circuit, जब वो सर्किट से कनेक्ट होता है तो वही केमिकल एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. Okay, that chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Got it? So, if you see a cell, अगर आप इस सेल को देखते हैं, okay, you know that I'm not very good in diagram, but I can make a little bit better for you. Okay, so cell is like this type. This is a cap of cell. Okay, this is a cap of cell. This is a metal cap at the top of the cell, and here is a disc. This is called metal disc. At below the cell. Here there are two terminals in a cell. One is positive terminal and one is negative terminal. One is positive terminal, one is negative terminal. Student, tell me why these caps that are connected to circuit, why these caps, metal cap and metal disc are of metal? Why these are of metal? Why they are not of plastic? Yes, beta.
Because metal is a good conductor.
Very good. Metal is a good conductor of electricity. Yes, what about you?
मेटल से आसानी होती है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को पहुंचाने में.
Yes, very good. क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास जो होती है वो मेटल्स के थ्रू इजीली हो जाती है. Why? Because they are good conductor of electricity. बेटा आपका जो materials है वो they are of two types in related to electricity are conductor and insulator. Okay, conductor are the materials which conducts electricity through it, which passes the electricity through it. Okay, for example, all the metals are good conductor of electricity, just like silver, copper. Your all wiring at your home is of copper. ये वायरिंग अगर आप वायर के अंदर देखेंगे तो there is a copper wire. Okay, so copper is a good conductor of electricity. It losses the less amount of electricity. So, and what are insulator? Insulator are the materials that do not allow the electricity to pass through it. Okay, you have to pass through them. Okay, is it clear? So, insulator में आपके क्या क्या आते हैं? Just give me example. What are the example of insulator? Huh? Plastic, wood, rubber. These are the all examples of insulator. So that's why the metal, the caps that are connected, the terminals that are connected with the wires are of metals. Okay? So it is clear to everyone? Okay. So student, let me tell you about the cell. Cell is also of two types. Cell is also of two types. सेल में आपके दो प्रकार के होते हैं. इट मींस इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. वन इज प्राइमरी सेल एंड अनदर इज सेकेंडरी सेल. What is primary cell? The cell which is used once and are when primary cells are the cell which is used once and cannot be used after it. Okay, the cells that can be used only once are called primary cell. Okay, when they are used up, then they are not used again. Okay, उनका दोबारा से आप यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं एक बार यूज करने के बाद. And what are secondary cells? Secondary cells are the cells that you can use again and again after recharge, after charge by electricity. ठीक है, सेकेंडरी सेल आपके चार्जेबल सेल होते हैं. Okay, secondary cells are chargeable that you can recharge or charge again and again after use, and you can use them again and again. Clear to everyone? For example, can you give me the example of cell that can be recharged? That can be recharged again and again.
Mobile battery.
Yes, mobile battery or inverter is a battery that can be recharged again and again. So many cells are also coming out rechargeable. So many rechargeable cells are also coming. Just like आपके टॉयज के भी बहुत सारे सेल्स आते हैं जो रिचार्ज कर सकते हैं. आते हैं ना? ठीक है? क्या? हाँ? डोंगल? डोंगल is a different thing बेटा. Okay. वो वाला रिचार्ज नहीं बेटा, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चार्ज करने वाला रिचार्ज किया हुआ है. मतलब जिसको आप दोबारा से चार्ज कर सकते हो. Okay? That can be used again and again. So you learned about the cell, primary and secondary cell. So now let me explain your dry cell. It is also called dry cell. Your dry cell is discovered by George Leclanche. Okay, Leclanche. Who discovered? George Leclanche. That's why it is also called a Leclanche cell. Now student, let me explain what is the structure of the cell. Cell का structure actually में होता क्या है? Let me explain. First of all, let me draw a diagram. I will show you a diagram. This is a very thick shell I am explaining to you, but for sake of your, I am showing what is inside it. So with the positive terminal there is a rod. This rod is called carbon rod. Carbon rod. Okay, it is a positive electrode. कैसा electrode है? Positive. That's why it is connected by positive terminal. That's why this terminal is called positive terminal, because it is connected with the positive electrode, that is called carbon rod. Have you ever break the cell and have you seen the inside material of the cell? किसी ने देखा है कभी सेल ब्रेक करके इनसाइड मटेरियल? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू सीन दैट? कितने लोगों ने ऐसा किया है? रेज योर हैंड. नो वन. ओके, whenever you get a chance and if you get a very that cell is already used up, उस सेल को ब्रेक करके देखना ना, बट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सम एडल्ट एट योर होम, किसी की प्रेजेंस में करना. ओके, तो ओपन करना और उसके अंदर मटेरियल चेक करना कि क्या क्या मटेरियल इसके अंदर है. I will explain you what are the materials are there. One, there is a black rod. Okay, this is a rod that is called carbon rod. Okay, called positive electrode. Okay, and there is that container. This जो ये आपका सेल जिस कंटेनर से बना है, this is called zinc container. क्या कहलाता है? Zinc container. Okay, zinc container, and this is act as a negative electrode. This act as a negative electron. Okay, this is act as a negative electron. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let me explain about the powdery substance inside this. There is also a powdery substance in the cell. Cell के अंदर एक powder chemical की form में powder होता है. That powder किस से बना होता है? वो powder बना होता है zinc. Sorry, the powder is made of carbon and manganese, mixture of manganese. लिख लीजिए आप, इस डायग्राम को बना सकते हैं. मैंगनीज डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, ये आपका जो पाउडरी मटेरियल होता है, मिक्सचर होता है, that is a mixture of carbon and manganese dioxide का मिक्सचर होता है. ओके, inside this. And there is also white paste. एक white paste भी होता है. There is also white paste. White paste. What is that white paste? This is of zinc chloride. Zinc chloride plus mixture of zinc chloride and manganese chloride. ओके, इन दोनों का मिक्सचर होता है आपका व्हाइट पेस्ट. जो आपका व्हाइट पेस्ट होता है मटेरियल, दैट इज ऑफ जिंक क्लोराइड एंड मैंगनीज क्लोराइड. क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw this diagram and write also what are these things. White paste dash करके आप ये लिखेंगे. ओके, white paste and you will write this. White paste के आगे आप ये लिखेंगे. ओके, sorry, it's not manganese chloride, it's ammonium chloride. I forgot it. Manganese तो यहाँ आ गया है ना आपका. This is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. By mistake, I have written this. This is ammonium chloride. Okay, I was thinking about this only. Okay, this is carbon and manganese dioxide is a powdery substance, and zinc chloride and ammonium chloride is the mixture of the white paste. Okay, the mixture of white paste. तो white paste का जो mixture है वो zinc chloride plus ammonium chloride का है. Slip हो गया मैंने तो. I am thinking कि I am just writing something wrong.
And this side.
Yes. Draw this diagram. Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Structure of the cell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next topic is a combining cell. You can see here combining of cell is related to what? Combining two cells from between. Just for example, like in a torch, you're putting two cells. So many rods you're putting two cells together. How they combine with each other in a circuit? एक circuit में जो cell है वो कैसे combine होते हैं? Let me show you. They are always connected in opposite terminal. For example, this is a positive terminal, this is negative terminal. So always this will be a negative terminal, this will be a positive terminal. If you connect like this, then the circuit will complete and the bulb will glow up. Okay, bulb will glow when only the circuit will like this. When the two cells together like this. Clear to everyone? So combination of cell कैसा होता है? It will be always in a opposite terminal. Opposite terminals में होता है. Clear? Okay. So what is electric circuit? Tell me. Clear up this? What is electric circuit? A spark through which electricity passes. A path through which electric current flows. Okay? Electric circuit. What is electric circuit? A path through which electric current flows is called a electric circuit. Clear to everyone? Is it needed to write? Are you able to do by your own? कर सकते हैं? Okay. So there are two types of circuit. One is open circuit and one is closed circuit. Now tell me, in which type of circuit the bulb will glow? Who is saying open? Just stand up. You are saying closed. I am talking about who is saying open. He was saying closed, beta. I am talking about who is saying open. Sit properly first of all. Beta, let me explain first. Open circuit and closed circuit. First of all, let's make a circuit. पहले एक circuit बनाते हैं, okay? Let me make you clear, students. In science, where there is their diagram is needed, you will draw the diagram. Exams में भी अगर क्वेश्चन में नहीं भी लिखा है कि आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है, बट वहां पे डायग्राम बन सकता है, तो आप बनाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट एक्सप्लेन करने को बोल दिया. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द डिफरेंशिएशन बिटवीन ओपन सर्किट एंड क्लोज सर्किट. With the definition, just draw the diagram of open circuit also and closed circuit also. Is it clear? Okay? So you have to manage by your own. You have to use your mind while writing the answer. Okay? Where you can draw the diagram. ऐसा नहीं कि एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर दिया. No. It's not like that. I'm talking about the question those where the content is more and the numbers also of more. There you have to think what you can do in that question. Okay? In science, you should give answer diagram based also. Okay? So I'm talking about the circuit. For example, this is a battery, positive, negative, and this is the key. This is the key. Key means your switch. Your switch. Huh?
स्विच
क्या?
स्विच जिससे टॉर्च
हाँ, yes. अभी उस पे भी आते हैं, उस टॉपिक पे भी आते हैं. Okay. So this is a switch, this is a battery, and this is a bulb. Okay. If circuit is closed, what does it mean?
The light will pass.
Light will pass through it. It means the switch is on. When switch is off, what does it mean? Circuit is open. Circuit उस वक्त क्या हो गया है? Open हो गया है. That's why the wires are not connected. The wires are not connected means what? The electricity will not pass through the circuit. Clear? And according to our need in a circuit. Is it clear to everyone? तो सर्किट का रोल क्या है? सॉरी स्विच का रोल क्या है? To connect or break the circuit. Clear? Open circuit and closed circuit में difference बची है सबको?
Yes.
Have you cleared about the open circuit and closed circuit?
Yes, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आप बेटे yes भी दो के स्टाइल में बोल रहे हैं. And first of all, just sit down properly. So, for example, instead of this switch, if I will replace this switch with the help of pin, अगर मैंने pin के साथ इस switch को replace कर दिया, is I able to connect the circuit or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
The
ma'am.
bulb will glow.
Yes, ma'am.
Glow? All you are saying yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
And because pin is a metal, and metal is a good conductor.
Very good. Because pin is a metal and it is a good conductor of electricity, so it can easily pass electricity when it is connected to wires. When it is connected to wire, and when it is disconnected from the wire, the circuit will not go. Is it clear? Okay. If I will replace this pin with the help of eraser. Oh, it is a eraser, and I am replacing the pin with eraser. Is it will work?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because eraser is a rubber and rubber is not a good conductor.
Okay, because eraser is an insulator, it is not able to, it doesn't allow the electricity to pass through it. It does not allow electricity to pass through it. Is it clear? Clear for everyone? Okay, very good. So electric circuit is clear to everyone? Electric switch is clear to everyone? Switch का काम क्या होता है पता ही है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what we have learned. And for tomorrow, it means next day, it will come on Tuesday. So your homework is you have to draw a diagram. Draw a diagram of torch. Okay, torch का diagram आपको draw करना है. Okay, inside view. You have to draw the diagram of torch or inside the structure of torch. Clear? Inside the structure of a torch. So this is your homework. I will check it, and I think on Tuesday I will collect your activity also. Okay, your activity will be collected on Tuesday, and I will give you marks as a subject in respect in that on the basis of that activity. Okay.